Should you buy life insurance or burial insurance from those letters that show up in your mailbox every single day of the week, it seems? I don't know if you get them, but I get them too, especially after getting over the age of 50. Oh my gosh, they just open the floodgates. So what's the deal with those things? They've got all sorts of tempting offers, like, you know, $9.95 a month, or per unit pricing and things like that. Many people find them very confusing. We think they're designed to be confusing. But the one thing to be aware of with those plans is almost every single one of those companies is going to have a 2-year waiting period, or it's going to be a term policy where the pricing increases every 5 years. And with those term policies, they typically end once you get beyond age 80, which is exactly the time you need burial insurance the most. So the products are really counterintuitive, but they are very slickly marketed. And also, you'll see the $9.95 a month. That's probably for some per unit pricing where you might only get $450 of coverage. So even though $9.95 sounds good, you know, $450 does not seem very good. And certainly that's not going to have any measurable effect on paying for your burial or funeral costs. So at Funeral Funds, we specialize in first day coverage. That's really important to a lot of folks. They don't want the 2-year waiting period because, let's face it, once we get into our 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s, we know that each day is a gift, not a guarantee. So a lot can happen in 2 years. So if you've got a policy that offers a 2-year waiting period versus one that's a first day coverage, most people want that first day coverage. And the other thing too is the first day coverage policies are actually less expensive than those 2-year waiting period policies, which is pretty cool. Most people really like that. So we caution you to really read the fine print on all those letters that you get. It costs an awful lot of money for those insurance companies to market and send all that mail out. For every 100 they send out, they probably only get 2 or 3 back. So it's very costly, and therefore the products they market tend to be much more expensive as well. So if you'd like some help with this or some good honest feedback on what you qualify for, just give us a call at Funeral Funds. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. You take care. Bye-bye.